Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to edit layout and menu. How to edit layout and menu on Samsung Internet. The first thing you need to do is from the home menu, tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen. That is not this part of this is the part of the screen I'm talking about. You tap on the three lines at the bottom, tap on the gear icon. To open up your settings, go down and you can see layouts and menus, tap on it and now want to edit. You can decide to have the address bar at the bottom. If you want it at the top, you can decide to let the tab bar show or not. You can decide to show the bookmark bar or not. You can decide to show the menu bar while scrolling or not. And you can decide to hide the status bar or not. It depends on you. This is how to customize the layout and to customize the menu. Tap on customize menu. You can see all these options, so you can decide to pull which one you want up. For example, let's say I want this to come down, I bring it down, then you put the one you want to add up. Press down on it and move it. It's as simple as that. So this is how you customize the menu, and if you want to reset, you can simply tap on reset and everything go back to normal. So you can also do the same here. You see, I'm moving them to where I want them to be. So once I'm through, I go back. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe.